What I'm about to do would be considered very dangerous. And I'm willing to do this just because I can prove to you that it's going to be safe. I'm going to be fine. We're going to test the shock prevention. Metal tools, power strip on. Here we go. Oh, that one goes deep. What I'm about to do, I'm a little nervous about. I'm going to pour some water, jug of water, onto this entire power strip while it is switched on. And I'm hoping that nothing catches on fire and I can keep all of my facial hair. Here we go. Okay, it's working. I'm going to try switching it on again. This is a heavy-duty cigar lighter. We're talking an intense heat flame. Now, this power strip is considered non-flammable, meaning if I were to use this lighter on the power strip body, it may not be fireproof, so it might burn, but it will not catch fire. Okay, so it is non-flammable, and that's what we're going to test right now. Here we go. All right, now we can see nothing caught fire.